Hey, it's me, Nomad. How are you? So it's another day here at the Ugly Green thing, and I'm gonna work on some stuff today. Um, let's see, where are we? Well, I guess the main thing is I kind of have the front all down pretty much. Like I need to put the wood in. I gotta take this piece off here. This whole piece has to come out. I gotta unscrew all these things, and this whole piece of plexiglass gotta come out. And then I gotta put a new piece of wood in here. This whole thing, I gotta put a whole new piece, but it only comes in from the front. So, and what else? So my goal is like get all the old rotten wood out, replace it with new wood, and then I'm gonna paint it. Like that's the plan. So I'm almost done with getting the old wood out. The next place I gotta get the old wood out is the toilet in the back left corner. There's water damage right here. Can't really see it, it's too dark. Okay. Here is all rotted out. So this whole piece gotta go out. But I gotta remove the toilet first. And I had to look on the internet to find out how to do that, and I'm still not sure how. Someone said there was a screw under here and one back here, and I don't see one right there. I don't know, man. It's kind of gotta get it out to put new wood in. This whole thing has to go. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, honestly. It's one step at a time. But this looks like one continuous piece of plywood here. So maybe, I can do that. And the other cool thing is in my building there, everyone's moving out, and people are donating. Well, they're giving away their old stuff. So someone gave away this vacuum, this blanket, this bag with wheels, this lamp, this cool looking I guess like a laundry bag thing. What else? And I gotta clean this fridge. I don't even know if this fridge works. So I feel like I'm making progress. I know it doesn't look like progress, but I feel like I'm making progress. So that's kind of where we stand right now. So right now I'm just gonna try to get to the bottom of this toilet removal situation. Still need a new door. Of course, this door suffices for now. And then I found out these windows all come off, right? Like, I just take it one moment at a time. Like there's no glass here, but what I can do is these windows come out, right? And maybe I can just find some plexiglass or cut some plexiglass to fit this, or I could go to pick apart and get a whole new window. I'm gonna do that. But the other really cool thing is that I'm gonna on Tuesday morning I'm gonna get the radiator fixed, because right now the radiator leaks. So the radiator leaks, and so I'm gonna get that repaired, and that's gonna be a major milestone, because right now it's not drivable really because it leaks water. You could drive it maybe half a mile before it gets hot, but once I get the radiator, we want balance, harmony, right? Like with an engine. So I just need it to where it can idle, right? So when I have the radiator fixed, it'll idle, and then I can drive it. So the other thing is these tires, right? So on Tuesday, I'm gonna get a used tire to fix this. I'm also gonna get an air pump, an electric one, to fill this. The tire in the back is 2 tires. I don't know what the situation is with it, but obviously I can't drive it to the repair shop if it's got a flat tire. So all that's gonna happen on Tuesday. Fix tire, get radiator fixed. And then I'll be able to idle it. I'll be able to start working on the electrical system. At some point I'm gonna get a battery for this. kind of looked at this the other day. That wire just needs to be reattached, this yellow wire here. And I think this powers the interior. And I think, I know basically like the way it works is like you have a battery or a generator and it goes through an inverter which converts DC to AC. I'm pretty sure the inverter was removed out of here a long time ago. But back here behind the seat, I see a fuse box. So what I'm thinking is that the inverter goes here. I mean, the inverter could be in here somewhere. You know, I don't know. I have to figure it out. I'm not sure, but anyway, that's where we are. I should have brought my battery for lights today, but I thought I'd have enough time. I always come here in the evening for some reason, and I don't give myself enough. It's too hot during the day, really, in LA right now in the summer. So there's also this tank situation, this old water tank. The pipes are broke. I mean, God, like everything in this RV is broke, really. Something told me to bring my battery and I didn't. I should have. Okay, well that's it. That's the update on what's happening. I'm gonna try to get to the bottom of this toilet and I'll get back to you.